favourite cars of Japfest 2024 is this S2000 that pushes out 1200 horsepower in a car that weighs 940 kgs. That's going to be quick. Stop to talk about this amazing 911. It's a 1973. It's built by CSF Radiators in California, and they brought it all the way over here, and it's called an RSR backgate. It's completely custom. It's amazing. Got centre lock wheels on it, amazing interior. The whole thing's just beautiful. So last time I saw this car, I was 5,000 miles away at SEMA Las Vegas. Under the bonnet is a 4.6 litre S65 stroker engine, and it's one heck of a bit of kit.
Like art, you just express yourself, and this is just my medium, that in fact it's in a car.
So I just stumbled across the latest UK RWB build, Giri Giri. Take a look at it. Loving this old school Beamer here, like a pistachio green colour, which is paint, but then to mix it up, the white is actually a wrap. But yeah, just looks and works really well. It's got lovely quick wheels on it, Recaro interior, roll cage, simple but beautiful. So the Caddy van behind me is owned by Dan Watts of DW Automotive. It's got a 2-litre TFSI engine swap, CCW split rims. The interior is amazing. It's like more Alcantara than I've ever seen.
So this has got to be one of the style attractions for us. It's come all the way from Poland with the guys at Night Ride, and apparently it's called Kevin. Weird, but like, have a look in the back, this thing's nuts. Tell me about this RX-7.
Well, it's just come back over from Europe. It's the very first time that it's come back here for its UK debut. We're so excited. It's come out absolutely amazingly. Gas with it, honestly.
So as Jivy's run off, can I give it a drive?
Oh, absolutely. Be my guest.
Let's go. Yeah, it's not quite what I expected.
50 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me. That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal.
I think this one's supposed to be more in my price range, but I still can't afford that.
Just stumbled across this really fun little car called the S Cargo, and that's made by Nissan. And do you think that Nissan were having a bit of a joke with an S Cargo because it looks like a snail? Possibly. Also looks a bit like a Citroen 2CV. Plus there's loads of headroom in there, fun little round windows, even Joe could sit in there with his massive head. I try and be impartial when it comes to looking at cars, but I spotted this gorgeous Mazda 323. It's the turbo, isn't it? And it's also four-wheel drive.
Yeah, that's right.
And Ronnie, you've come all the way over from Holland, haven't you?
Yeah,
So,
that's right.
could you just tell us a little bit about the car, a little bit of the history of how long you had it and what you've done to it?
Now, I have the car from 2005. Therefore, I had a car in 2003, also a Mazda 323. Then I rebuilt this one, and I had to have some parts make on on this one. So the other one was on the side, and then I rebuilt this one. And through the years, every time a little bit more. Then the engine broke, so the engine you had to make new. Parts were very difficult to find. So I had a lot of parts from Germany. I think at least 5 cars from these I always bought only for parts, because most of the cars were broken, the engine was broken. Then the people say I don't need them anymore, so then I buy them. And so I have a lot of parts in my garage. And yeah.
So there you go, if you've got a Mazda 323 and you need some parts, speak to
Yeah.
Ronnie. Ronnie, I take it you painted this car?
Yeah, in the original colors, because I like the grey and black, so it's like original. And I only lowered it And the wheels, yeah, they're from the Renault Turbo wheels are from 1984, so they are older than the car. Mostly the people say, yeah, it's not looking good to make new wheels on such a car, but the wheels are older than the car.
What, so they're refurbed Renault Turbos,
Yeah.
original ones, because you can still buy them today, can't you?
Yeah, but I don't like them. the old one I like even more.
Yes.
So, but it's a very fun car to drive, and yeah, I wanted to be one time in England, so here I am.
Well, thank you very much, Ronnie.
Thank you
Cheers.
very much.
Joe, look at this E30, come here. Apparently it comes with like a big gold medallion and a hairy chest wig. I love it. So we're here on a Turbo Smart stand, and this is one of my favourite cars of the whole show. It's just picked up a winner's trophy. It's yours. Tell me about this amazing Audi.
100%. Well, this is what they call an Audi Group S car, and it's a RS001. And basically, the history is Audi wanted to build this car back in the day to compete against the Lancia, Delta S4s, and Peugeot 205s in Group B. And they brought out new rules, which was going to be take over Group B and go to Group S. And so the workshop and the engineering department, they wanted to have the engine in the middle of the car.
Right,
And the marketing team, they wanted to have the engine in front, like the road cars. And anyhow, the guys at Audi Sport built this car without permission.
Without telling them. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so they went and tested it in Czechoslovakia, and then a spy took some photographs of the vehicle on the test,
Right,
publicised it in the press. There was no internet back then.
No.
And Audi hit the roof. They went down to the factory, crushed the car.
So they crushed the car, and then
It didn't exist.
so
And
you built this from blueprints.
We did, yeah.
From the original car.
We bought a scale model
Okay.
from Germany. It was a little one like this. Scanned it, and then there's about 6 or 7 photos in existence of the original car, and we sort of roughly measured up, and then it's all space frame chassis. It's 985 kilos, and it's currently 725 horsepower.
So it goes a bit.
It should
It'll
do.
go a bit, yeah.
I think it'll be all right. We'll be all right. And that's it. So we've made like a recreation of that vehicle, and we've put like modern twists on it, because because I want to run the car at Pikes Peak.
Oh, okay.
So
right.
next year,
That is cool.
next year is going to be the plan is to take it to America.
That's amazing.
And run up the hill.
Wow.
So
I mean, this is it's just absolutely stunning.
yeah,
like.
thank you.
Can we borrow it for a bit?
No problem,
No.
mate. I'll leave the kids on
lovely.
the dash for you.
Perfect. Thank you,
Yeah.
mate.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.